Once inside the settings, press the Privacy Settings option. Now, go to the Security section, where there are several configuration parameters. There you can choose among all some friends. Record without having to hold down the record button. Usually, to make TikTok videos, you have to hold your finger down in order to record, but now, check out this trick. Open the app and press the plus icon to create a new video. Now, press the clock icon. When you click on it, you will go to the countdown option. In the time bar, choose how long you want the video to be and then tap Start Recording. There will start a countdown and then it will automatically record for the time you set. Use your QR code to share your profile with others. If you want to add a new user on TikTok, now you can do it through a QR code to share your profile and content with other people. Enter your profile, tap the icon with the three dots for settings and privacy. When you are there, press the tick code option. To read the QR code, go to the search section by pressing the magnifying glass icon and then the square icon with a line. You will enter the function of scanning QR code, with which you can read the code of another person. There are some basic tricks that you can use on TikTok. They are very simple to use.